Good morning, guys. So my kids fixed me breakfast this morning and some coffee. So sweet of them. So I'm about to sit here and eat my breakfast. We're getting a new refrigerator delivered today. Praise the Lord. So I'm going to kind of go ahead and start my chores and cleaning up the house today, because Saturday we'll be going to a birthday party. So spend the day with us. Let's go. All right. So kids are on the computers doing their schoolwork for today. I just got out the shower and shampooed my hair and everything. So I got this on my head. I did my skincare. So I'm about to sit here and let them finish up their schoolwork, and hopefully the delivery people will be here shortly for us to get our new fridge situated. So I'll be back shortly. Come on, hold this dustpan. Hold this dustpan. Dump that in the trash. Feel like I have to put another batch of water on to mop the floor.
How's the hiccups?
To the dollar store. Get some more yellow coloring. All right, so I mopped the kitchen floor. I mopped in here where Ramani's sitting doing her work, and I mopped out here in the living room. So now, prayerfully the floor will dry before the people will come. Our window was from 8 a.m. It's from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. tonight. I've never had a window that long as far as delivering furniture or whatever. So my back is still bothering me some. My husband wanna make a steam clean. Excuse me. So I'll use that to see if we can clean that ottoman. Let's order the dramatic babies. These lilies are dramatic. Another water. Give it trees. Close my socks. See. Like a baby.
That's bus.
Oh, that's where all the stuff went. That's nice. Ooh, it looks nasty right there. Okay, I'm trying. I'm gonna hurry up as fast as I can.
Squeeze it out.
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Excuse me, folks.
Wow, wow, wow. There it is, our new fridge. We already put the stuff in there. I can't wait to film content of grocery hauls and restocks. Excited. All right, let's get ready to cook din din. Got wiped in here.
Oh, that's why.
What is it?
This.
It's from where they took the sticker off of the door. Italian turkey sausage, ground turkey. Y'all got any shows y'all want to recommend? I just finished watching Forever on Netflix the other day. It was really, really good. I really liked it. I need to look and see what else. I think I'm going to watch, I haven't watched, as far as movie-wise, you know, I love Disney. I love Disney cartoons. I love the Disney, how they're bringing them to life. The life, what is it called? I don't even know how to say it. But anyway, I haven't watched Snow White. I know that a lot of people were saying Snow White wasn't good. So, but I'm going to watch Snow White. What else? If y'all have some suggestions for any TV shows, any movies or whatever, like, let me know. Let me know. I've seen Sinners. It was okay. Like, it's not, I mean, it's just my opinion. I know a lot of people are saying, oh my God, it's the best movie ever. And it was a decent movie. I'm not falling out all on the ground. Oh my God. But any suggestions, leave them in the comments. You know, school year is getting ready to be over with. Praise the Lord. And I will have enough time to do some things that I want to do, which means like catching up on, you know, watching TV shows and doing certain things during the day.
Mama,
Yes.
I thought you made the TikTok pasta.
No, I didn't. I was going to. Can you take the Parmesan cheese out, please? You my cheese?
No, thank you.
Here's my plate. Bon appetit. I'll be back. Let him hug you.
No.
Give your brother a hug.
I already gave him a hug.
Don't kiss. She don't want to kiss.
I
Give her a
already, he
hug.
already gave.
This is what happens in real life. See this? Now come on. Stop. Come on now.
You just.
Come on, give me
I
a
don't know what
give me a
that
hug and a
was.
kiss. Come on, so you go to bed.
Nose.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for spending the day with us today. I really, really appreciate it. Make sure you like this video and follow us on all our other social media platforms. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.